Ngut ki Nongshah Rahbor bala Pyllait da ki Hamas ki la jam sha upot usam jong kari Israel hapo ka jing senran jong shipai Israel. Kini ki Nongshah Rahbor ki la don ha kalenti ban lech sha ka jaka pediang ngobha shapang shathi jong kari Israel ha ka ba onsa pen pej benya ya ki da ki doctor. Kini ki Ngut ki la poi ha ka jaka pediang ya ki shapang shathi jong kari Israel bat onsa pen ya kendu ru ya ki bat ki kimi ki pa jong ki. Kinong sumar nak IDF kile senran lang ya kini kinong Nongshah Rahbor hagapo bala lech pej benya ya ka koi ka khia jongki kinong mikmat jong ka IDF kile senran lang ya ki bahiyang hasam ha hospital.
Gradual deal which has the potential of bringing back our hostages and also making sure Hamas won't be ever able to massacre Israelis like it did on October 7th. Peace won't prevail if Hamas is allowed to rearm and regroup. The Middle East has changed. The Iranian radical regime still constitutes the biggest threat to our region, but it has lost Lebanon, Syria, and Gaza. With enough international pressure, we can make sure it stops its quest for nuclear weapons. I'd like to thank the Indian government for supporting our right for self-defense, and we especially appreciate the overwhelming support of the Indian people.